So this brings me to the next point. Many companies, especially when they start new relations with a new foreign partner, they need additional risk assurance that their transaction will go smoothly. So, for example, an importer wants to understand that the payment will be done only against the proper documents, and the exporter wants to be assured that the payment will be available once it fulfills the agreed conditions. So this is where documentary instruments become very useful. Belarusbank, in cooperation with its partner banks in India, is ready to support businesses with documentary operations, including letters of credit, bank guarantees, and other instruments used in international trade. So in addition to settlements and documentary operation, I would also like to briefly mention one more instrument. So we can support cooperation between Indian and Belarusian companies through the export financing. So Belarusbank is actively involved in financing Belarusian exports under the framework of the decree of the President of the Republic of Belarus, number 534. What does it mean in practice for Indian companies? So if an Indian company is interested in purchasing Belarusian goods, instruments, equipment, services, Belarusbank may help to structure a long-term financing for such transactions through cooperation with the importer's bank. This means that in case you want an additional finance to be provided, we can cooperate with your bank. We can provide an interbank loan to your bank at good rates, and this bank will, in its turn, provide this loan to you by aiding its margin. So depending on the structure of the transaction, financing may be available in Russian rubles, Chinese yuan, and of course we can consider providing it in INR. So one of the key advantages is the interest rates under these programs. They are linked to the benchmark rates and can be substantially more attractive compared to the standard commercial financing. So the financing tenor may reach up to 3 years. The equivalent of the amount can be up to $30 million US. For Indian companies, this creates an additional opportunity not only to trade with Belarus, but also to obtain competitive financing support for purchases from Belarusian suppliers. So, ladies and gentlemen, Belarus and India have very big trade potential, but the potential becomes real business only if we have reliable logistic channels and banking channels. So, for the banking channels, INR payments creates a practical bridge between Belarusian and financial systems. For Indian companies, the message is simple. If you buy in from Belarus, please consider paying in INR. If you sell into Belarus, please consider getting export proceeds in INR. So in case your transaction requires additional risk protection, Belarusbank is ready together with its partner banks in India to discuss documentary operations. And one more point, if you're looking for Belarusian partners, Belarusbank has a very big client base, so almost every company has a bank account in Belarusbank, and we are ready to facilitate your business communication. So we see we see India as a very prospective direction. We are committed to building practical banking infrastructure that supports the trade between the companies of the two countries. We are open to dialogue with Indian companies, business associations, and public institutions. We started a representative office in Mumbai, so you can see my contacts on the slide. Please do not hesitate if you have any questions. Please do not hesitate to text me a message on Telegram or WhatsApp, or send me an email. So I'll be happy to provide you more details. Yeah, thank you.
So thank you, Anton, once again for your words. And maybe I, as a conclusion, repeat three key ideas of current situation concerning settlements, because settlements is a very important issue if you're talking about trade. Issue number one, if you're talking about trade with Belarus, using US dollar or euro is not guarantee payment at the moment. These currencies are most tradable currencies in the world, but why we are talking so a lot about settlements in rupee and other local currencies, because unfortunately for today, US dollar and the euro is not guarantee payments between our countries. Key issue number two, you should come to your bank on earliest stage of your negotiations between your counterparty. Please come to your bank and discuss how you can pay. I'm talking not only for Indian side, but as well as Belarusian side. Both sides should come to bank more earliest as possible to discuss how we can build a settlement chain for your contract. And issue number three, as Anton mentioned, is export financing. If you are talking about buy something from Belarus, you can use our cheap loans for make your deal more effective. So once again, thank you, Anton, for these words. Our next speaker will be my friend from our partner bank here in India, from Central Bank, Mr. Vasti Venkatesh, Chief General Manager of the Central Bank of India. Please welcome to the stage, and we welcome you to a few words about how you cooperate with Belarus and what you can see about potential demand of your clients to trade with Belarus and how we can do it. Thanks. This way.
Dignitaries on the dais and all the attendees here from the Belarus and also exporters, importers from in India. It is a pleasure to be part of this event for us. We have a SRV account of Belarusbank with Central Bank of India opened almost 1.5 years back, and a lot of transactions are happening in this account. As already explained by you, and because of the foreign currency is a very scarce currency, and towards the internationalization of rupee, it has been impetus given by the Reserve Bank of India and Government of India. Why don't we invoice our in the rupee itself? So we have been no series of meeting with Reserve Bank of India. The thrust is to know let us invoice in rupees. For that, now special rupee host to account facility has been allowed 3 years back, 2023 onwards. We have got 2 accounts. One of this account is Belarusbank is having an account with us. Any customer having routing their transaction or your counterpart is dealing with the Belarusbank, the amount can be credited into this account. So you can utilize these facilities to trade with the Belarus buyers in the Belarus country, and also utilize this SRV account for your transaction. In addition to this, being a Central Bank of India is a nationalized bank in India, we can also provide various opportunities, even various lending avenues are available from Central Bank of India. wherever you require any finance for the LC, packing credit, post shipment, all features are available with us. We will also request you to share your client list so that we can connect with them and do the transaction with you. I am glad that I am getting this good forum to inform you. Okay, Central Bank, we have a very good schemes available for the exporters or import and the financing. In addition to this, we have a very good trade finance portal is available, which facilitates you to do the transaction sitting at home. It's a good opportunity for Central Bank of India and also for Belarusbank to work together and for the benefit of our Indian exporters or importers. Thank you so much.
So, Mr. Venkatesh, thank you. And our next speaker, please announce Ms. Sushma from company Prosperous Chemicals, who will share your experience in cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Namaste. I am representative of Prasol Chemical Limited, and Prasol Chemical Limited is the manufacturer of various intermediary chemicals which are being used in several sectors like agriculture, pharma, cosmetics, etc. So we are exporting one of our chemical product to Belarus since last 10 years. For that export, in inward remittance, we are getting through the Belarusbank to Central Bank of India in INR. And Central Bank of India provides us the NOC, which we provide to our bank, and FIRC gets released. So, So this experience is very good with the Belarus Bank because we all know about the OFAC, and the inward remittances from Russia was stuck due to the OFAC. So now Belarus Bank has made it very easier. So thank you so much.